This is a Dell Inspiron 15 series laptop. See, hinges totally broken. Hinges broken from screen side. We have to repair this hinges. Hinges broken because of very tight. This very hinges is very tight, and this side also damage. We have to repair the body and also lose the hinges, because if we not lose the hinges, then it's damage again. Let's repair the body and pack the laptop. Hinges now perfectly assembled. See, this one also, and also loose itself. Now let's assemble the LCD in system and check alignment of hinges. Hinges now perfectly working. Perfectly, hinges repair perfectly. This side damage. Thank you.